How to make a cup guitar. You will need paint and a paintbrush, some scissors, different size rubber bands, a paper cup. For this one, our stringed instrument, we're going to paint the inside as well as the outside because we'll be looking inside. So choose some colours and paint the inside and the outside. I'll get back. I've painted the inside orange. Now I'm going to paint the outside yellow. What colours did you choose? Oh, there we go. I think I'm almost finished, but it looks a bit boring, so I'm going to paint some black squiggles on. Let's see how that goes. Let's go, squiggles. Turn around. A bit more paint on my brush, I think. Cool. All right. Ooh, bit of squiggly space here. And squiggly space here. Oh, I've run out of paint. There we go. All right. The next step, we're going to put some of these rubber bands over our cup. You'll need adult help with this one again because we're going to be cutting some notches. I'll show you how we do that. So we're going to cut some notches and I need my cup and my scissors. And I'm just going to make some snips. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, that one doesn't want to go. There we go. And on the opposite side, I'm going to do the same. Doesn't matter if they're not completely opposite, just roughly. And 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now for the next step. 3 different rubber bands. I'm hoping they're going to make different sounds, so we'll experiment with that. Just going to put 2 down. I'm going to take one of them and stretch it over my hand, and then I'm going to stretch it in between the notches. Can you see there? I'm slotting it in, and then I have to take it over the back of the cup like this, and I'm going to do that with the other 2 as well. Yes, it does change the shape a little bit, but that'll be okay in a minute. All right. Our little cup guitar is finished, and listen to the sound. See what I'm doing with my finger? I'm just pulling across it. What sound does yours make?